Welcome back. In the last video on the CDE website, you were able to find a variety of data for all of your students. In this episode, you'll learn how to access data specifically about your AVID students. On the AVID Center website, avid.org, you can find information about the demographics, achievement, and post-graduation plans of AVID students from your school, your district, the county, or even the state. To access the data, go to avid.org and then click on My AVID in the upper right-hand corner. Type in your email address and password. This will take you to the My AVID homepage. Next, just hover over Data Collection and click on Data Entry System. On the left-hand side, you'll see Secondary Data Collection, which refers to the general data that you submit every November. And below that is Senior Data Collection with all the data that high school seniors submit at the end of their senior year. We'll be looking at that with the high schools in the next video. If you want to see summary reports of your data, you can click on View and Print Data Reports. Here, I'll show you. After clicking View and Print Data Reports under Site Data Collection, choose Secondary. Now, make selections to see the data for whatever group that you like. You can choose a certification report, an annual report, multi-year reports, details, summary. You can choose division, state, region, county, district. In this case, I'll show you an annual report, which is the general data for a middle school. So now we just have to filter down. We'll go to California. Let's say Riverside County, just pick the first district, Alvord, pick the first school, Arizona, and the year 2012-13, and click View Report. Here's some of the things that I generally look at when I look at these reports. The first thing I look at is the demographics. I want to make sure that the AVID demographics match or are more diverse than the overall school demographics. For example, at this school, 85% of AVID students are Hispanic, and in the school, 77% of students are Hispanic. So that's how we would like to see it. You can also see the percentage of students who are free and reduced price lunch. You can see the numbers by grade level. At this school, there are 89 out of 381 sixth graders are in AVID, 63 out of 370 seventh graders, and 86 out of 389 eighth graders. And down at the bottom, you can see as a percentage of the total students in the school, what does the AVID group represent? And in this case, it's about 21%. For middle school data, you can also see the percentage of students who are taking an honors course and algebra in 8th grade. And then down below, you see some summary data for last year's 8th graders. Then once a year, you also have to enter data into the system. To do so, all you do is click on the Add, Edit, View Current Data from the list on the left. And that will take you to where you can enter your school name, and then you can go on to enter your data and submit it to RIMS AVID. So to take all of this data and turn it into information like we discussed in the first videos, you can compare your school's data to the district, to the county, to the region, or to the state by selecting those regions when you're accessing the data. You can also compare it to the CDE numbers for school-wide, and you can also do that by school or district or county or state. So thanks for watching this video. High schools, you should go ahead and watch videos 5 and 6 about senior data and EAP data. Middle schools can skip on to video number 7.